In this video, I will share with you how to download a booking receipt in Hostinger Website Builder appointments system. This is a website built using Hostinger Website Builder, and for a previous tutorial, I've placed a booking on this online store. And in this video, I will share with you how to download this booking receipt. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and to locate this exact website, let's search using the website URL. This is it. Click on Manage Store next to your website in order to go straight to the store management area. Now go to Orders. Click on the order you want to download the receipt for. Let's say that this is it. From this order details page, click on More Actions and select Download Receipt. As you can see, it was downloaded automatically. Click on it. And this is how to download a booking receipt in Hostinger Website Builder appointment system. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.